Welcome Vamwango, Mvonse, and welcome back to another video. Today is a laundry organization video. I hope this video motivates you to get up and start doing the same. So please go and get your laundry, fold it while you watch this video. All right? Welcome and welcome back. So I'm starting with my boys' laundry. Recently did the laundry, so I'm just trying to fold everything and put everything away. As you can see, he's also helping me. So yeah, guys, I was just wondering, how are you? How have you been? Where are you watching me from? Please let me know in the comment section. It would be lovely to hear from you guys. Folding in advance helped me to move a little bit faster when it's time to put the clothes away. So what I'll do, I'll just carry everything and put it in the in the drawer. Like the first drawer that you saw, it's mostly for top top clothing. That is the anything t-shirts, shirts, vests, anything of that nature. And the second, as you can see, is mostly shorties. It's just the bottoms, okay? The shorties, the trousers, the tracksuits, and so forth. Then the third drawer is mostly for his bigger jackets and his gown, those fluffy kind of heavy or bigger clothing. No, we just recently left winter. But we are still, because this weather can change anytime. It's too early to say it's spring cleaning. Yeah. And then the third one, it's where I put his little kind of blankets, and those blankets we just use for easy access. Maybe we're going somewhere, I just feel like maybe it might get cold wherever we're going. There's like a small blanket just there to be on the safer side. Once I'm done with the boys section, I come to my side. I start folding and just, putting things in order. Because basically what happens is after I remove the laundry from the line, I just like push everything in one place, and then without folding or anything, I just try to keep the place clean by making sure that everything is in place. It has a place to be, but it needs to be folded. So that's basically what I'm doing. And then I go ahead, also the things that need to be dealt with on the hangers, I put them on hangers and try to arrange everything from the short to the long ones. So yeah, that's basically how I do my laundry. This is the best and the laziest way that you could ever do, just so that you don't have laundry waiting for you in the washing basket. Or if there's that chair, I believe we all have that black chair that's somewhere there where you just put everything. That's a bad habit that I've broken, at least. So I just put the tops where they're supposed to be, the shorts where the bottoms where they're supposed to be. Then when the right day comes to fold, I come and fold and put everything together and make everything look proper and neat. So once I'm done with that, then I move ahead. Now I also arrange my shoes, my handbags, and all that. Again, I come back to his room, the boys' room. So I also try to arrange everything like in place. I try to put his shoes properly together, his toys properly together. And this specific one, we bought it like when he was just a year or before he was a year. So his father was like, let's just get this thing and keep it. Whenever he's ready, when the time is right, he will use it. And that was the best thing that we did, because things lately, guys, with this inflation, prices are just are going up each and every single day. So the best thing that we can do right now is just to start buying things. If you have a 2 months baby, just start buying things already for when he's 3 years, when he's 5 years. Because, like, as you can see, half of these toys, some of them are not even here. They're on top. I didn't get to show you those, but some of those toys is toys that he will use when he's 5 years. So if you know what is best, it's just to start buying now. Even if you're still expecting, start buying already. I think that's why, for those that were here on this channel, if you could go back to the older videos, you would see that the last vlogs that we had, the caflet was full to the brim, because it was just not too much. We just learned to start buying things in advance, whether it's the beds or whatever. Because in the flat we were using one bed, and then we bought um two single beds to make a king bed, and there was literally no space in there. So that's why now, honestly, we just had to move. If you remember correctly, on top of those cupboards, they were also full of things. So yeah, let's just start buying things. You'll never know when you'll need them. Just buy, because, guys, the prices are really going crazy. This is just one child. Imagine when there are 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm joking, I'm not getting there. I don't know how our parents did that, but yeah, we'll see when we get there. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like this video. On this channel, I share videos like this of a stay-at-home mom. I am still at home mom in Namibia, and I literally show you the reality of staying at home. No glams or anything. It's just raw as it can be, as it gets. So it's just me. Any given day, I just get a tripod, I just get a camera, a phone, I put it on, I start recording. And that is just how it works here. So if you are interested in this kind of videos, please continue watching, like, subscribe, so that you do not miss out on any of my videos, guys. And I really like to thank you so very much for sticking around, for being here. Thank you so much for over 570 subscribers. I hope you guys continue subscribing. And yeah, my name is Mwaka once again. I have a boy. I have a baby boy who is no longer a baby anymore. He's like 2 years plus, 2 years and a half. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.